Welcome to our AutoRepair cloud application. Maintenance. In this video, we will tell you about the very useful maintenance function. As we know, maintenance is a series of actions recommended by a vehicle manufacturer. The main task of maintenance is to keep the vehicle's exterior nice and in technically working condition. Let's discuss how to use this function in our app. There is a list of full recommendations in our app for conducting maintenance in accordance with the regulations set by a vehicle manufacturer. There are two ways to view maintenance: through the technical information and the repair itself. Let's go to the technical information section to discuss the first way to view maintenance. Here, you need to enter the data for a vehicle that you want to view the list of recommendations for. Then go to the maintenance section. You will see the entire list of maintenance recommendations for the selected vehicle. Maintenance usually includes running inspections, replacements, and other operations. For example, changing oil in the engine after 10,000 mileage, as well as the operations detected during diagnostic tests. For instance, you need to see which actions need to be conducted for a given vehicle with a specified mileage. We can see that for 20,000 miles, the manufacturer recommends conducting 23 inspections, 2 replacements, and 4 other types of repairs. This is how we can view the types of work to be conducted at varying mileage levels. Let's discuss the second way of how to view maintenance and add it to the order. For example, you have a customer's vehicle and it is time to conduct a planned auto service. The customer came to your workshop. You need to go to the Customers and Vehicles section, choose the required customer. If a customer does not have an account, then you need to create it and add vehicle information. Keep in mind that you must enter the actual mileage when creating a vehicle account. Next, you need to create a new quote. Click on the Customer Info arrow. An additional menu will open up where you can see the maintenance section. We can see the operations that the manufacturer recommends for this vehicle. The vehicle's mileage is shown in the right part of the table. The left part of the table shows the interval for various types of works to be conducted. By clicking on this arrow, the drop-down menu will open up. It shows the types of work to be conducted. For example, for 2006 Nissan Quest, you must conduct these types of work every 7,500 miles. For every 15,000 miles, you must conduct these types of work. Let's go back to the repair order page. Here, you can indicate the current vehicle mileage, enter the actual mileage, and we can see the recommendations that have been added to concerns and works that have to be conducted for the vehicle with such mileage. Let's go to the maintenance section. To add the date of the last technical service, click here and select the date from the menu. Now, you know the date of the last technical service. It's important to know that this function is available only if you select it to view the repair of a certain vehicle. To view the cost of these works, add the data to the quote by pressing this button. After you press the Add button, the in-process status will appear. Now let's take a look at our order. We'll see that all works that have to be conducted for every 30,000 miles have been added to the repair. Now, you can send the quote to your customer for approval. After the customer approves the order, you can start the work. It's important to know that apart from the listed types of work, Other types of work can also be performed during maintenance, depending on the car make, its condition, and other specific factors. Keep in mind that maintenance does not mean that all listed types of work are to be conducted at once. It depends on the current necessities, conditions of exploitation, and manufacturer's recommendations. Thank you for watching our customer web portal. If you think this video is useful, please like it and subscribe to our portal to see other videos and stay updated.